hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, legal advisor at Dial Easy. Welcome to Dial Easy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you, what are the eligibility criteria to become a judge of Supreme Court judge, right? You might be confused with the thing that how can a person, can become a judge of Supreme Court of India, which is the apex court of India. So let's start and let's find out in this video. Let's start the discussion without any further delay. So the eligibility criteria for Chief Justice of India is same as Supreme Court judge, which are the first thing is he should be citizen, an Indian citizen, and the second one is no minimum age criteria is being given, right? The third one is he should serve as a judge of one high court or more continuously for for at least 5 years, or the person should be an advocate in the High Court or the Supreme Court for at least 10 years, and should be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. And what are the conditions for removal of Supreme Court judge? So the very first thing is retirement on completion of age of 65 years. The second one is resignation. Through resignation he can he can be removed. The third one is through impeachment. We all know what is the impeachment procedure. Basically, it's a procedure which being followed through Parliament to President of India. Through impeachment, he can be removed as a judge of Supreme Court of India. The last one is grounds for removal are proven if in case he is being proven misbehavior, incapacity, or unsound mind after age. So that's all about our discussion. That's all about the eligibility criteria to become a judge of the Supreme Court. I hope you understood and I hope you clear with the facts. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.